Williams Liberty Bell update. Oh, this was a fun one. This one, we had none of them. We had no action from that. No action from that. No action from that. These didn't reset when they should. They just went down and were dead. The only time any that would work is when the score motor went. So I hunted down in the score motor and I noticed that the score motor was spinning just a little bit past itself, which led me to believe that one of the switches on the score motor was a little bit too tight, causing the score motor just to, let me show you. Get that ball out of there. Let me set you down right here. Admire my vacuum. All right. On this first stack here, there's one switch. Right in there, as you can see, there. See how it just advanced a little bit. Now, see? Nothing. We're dead. Ah, those work now. Yeah, see? We get her just to go a little bit again. I can't even do it because I got it adjusted right. So, anyways, it was that switch. It was just a little bit too tight. That's where I always say with switches and stuff, they gotta be in the right spot. They gotta open when they gotta open, and they gotta close when they gotta close. I had that one just a little bit too tight where, let's do this. As you can see, oh, that tooth sits in that gear perfect right there. It was sitting like that. That's where it was stopping. That's where it wanted to stop. Every single time, that's where it wanted to stop. And that would cause none of these coils to fire because that was out of sync with itself. Now it's in perfect sync with itself, where that gear sits in the tooth perfectly. So now we got our eject. What happened in the beginning, I could start a game, and it would eject a ball. So that let me know the circuit for the Playfield was operating via the score motor. But since that was advanced too far, it took all the other switches out of sync, which therefore would not let those work. And let me put the Playfield back down. All right. See, I always had this. We got score. I'll start a game. It always would eject. It just wouldn't do that. Or that. Or that. Or that. So now we got it dialed in. Yeah! I am so pumped. Now I can finish putting the plastics back on this game, put the flippers on, do some play testing, put the brand new glass on it, and oh yeah, the new stickers for these, and get her delivered. So Liberty Bell lives. There's the donor Playfield. So yeah, I'm I'm totally pumped. And those lights turn out really good. This is, I would call, a 2-player Grand Prix. So if you really like the Williams Grand Prix, you would love the Liberty Bell because it's basically a 2-player Grand Prix. Very, very eerily similar. But anyways, yeah. Didn't have that before. Anyways, let's end it. Yeah, we didn't get enough points. Oh, I forgot we're on 5-ball. My customer likes 5-ball. There. Now we're on game over. I forgot I had it set on 5-ball. Me, I'd have it on 3-ball. They like 5-ball, so it's got to go on 5-ball. Anyways, like I've probably said it before, these are all Comet LEDs. These are LEDs, and they are soldered in. So everybody knows how pump bumpers, they just get beat on over and over and over. So I solder these in. These are actually wedge bulbs. I solder them in so they'll never get loose, and you can bang the hell out of them, as you can hear what I'm doing right now, and you won't get any flicker. So yeah, she turned out beautiful, and the Playfield swap is a success. It really wasn't a swap, it was just like the whole Playfield swap, because there's the original Playfield, and you can see how, well, there's not much paint left on it. So it went from this Playfield in it to this Playfield. This was luck in finding. It was total luck in finding. But anyways, thumbs up, cool stuff along here. Take care, and later.